Finally, we're here at Charlie Swanton. Charlie Swanton. I can't wait. We're here at Charlie Swanton in Mandaluyong. One of the best wonton noodles in the Philippines. We'll check it out. See what it tastes like. Yum, yum, yum. Charlie Swanton, we can't wait. Yum, yum, yum.
I hope not.
Good? Tara, let's eat. Yum.